Well, the good news, it didn't spin any bearings. Bad news, cam bearings are subpar, to be polite. Cam gear is destroyed. Timing chain cover. Chain guide was eaten up by the chain being good and loose. Crankshaft I haven't really had a chance to inspect yet. Doesn't look like it's toast, which if anything I'm kind of surprised by, given how epically bad some other stuff was. Although if we get down here to the end, yeah, that doesn't look so good. So we may be in for a new crankshaft. Definitely in for a new camshaft. Piston rings all look surprisingly excellent. And then there's the cylinder bores. Borescope said be worried. Not a hint of vertical scratching that you can catch a fingernail on or feel. But there is quite a bit of a horizontal ridge at bottom and top dead center for the piston. Too much to hone out? We're gonna find out once we get all the old cork gasket cleaned up. On the plus side, frame's in great shape. And given the train wreck in the camshaft and timing gear, I'm optimistic that my highway issues have nothing to do with the transmission or differentials and everything to do with a very badly hurt engine that somehow seemed to run great and displayed having decent oil pressure. We'll see.